Very hello. Indeed, hello. Right. Hello, wait.
What's the school body thing?
Sorry, so, as I was saying, I'm going to be doing a tune soon, or collab, whatever. As you can tell, I was gonna do one. I'm going to delete that video. So, uh, okay, sorry, I have a lot of stuff going on still. Just trying to do this. But, well, what the video was supposed to be about is haters. Well, here's a hater. So, what I did, I'm not trying to be a hater too, but I said boo, so if you go to my channel, oh wait, wrong video. Gosh, it's so laggy. So before the 4th of July, she says boo. I said I hate her again. She changed her name. That's why I thought it was another hater. Now we just continue going here. This one, she says boo again. So, I be nice, and yeah. So, if you ever have haters on your channel, just annoy them. I didn't because I was too lazy. I just want to make things right on my channel. So, it goes for everyone that subscribes to me, likes my videos and stuff. If you ever have a hater become on your channel, just annoy them. I'm not going to be making videos, just to let you know, in a bit. Again, because, so, wait a minute. But talking about haters, don't, just annoy them. If you have a faker, just annoy them. Just try your best. I just like to comment to them or reply to them to make sure, can you please stop? And so, that's it. Just information. Sorry if it's really, really late at night. I am so tired right now. I had a long day. So, goodbye.